Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to add or how to bring back developer tab in Excel. There is two ways by which you can add or you can bring back developer tab. So I will show you both the ways. So let's start. First you need to click on file, then you need to click on option, then a window will open, then you need to click on customize ribbon. Here in the right hand side you can see that all the main tabs is showing here, and the developer tab is unchecked. So if you check, then you can see developer tab. Whenever you press OK, the developer tab will add here. Again I will uncheck it and I will show you the second process. I'm just removing it again and just right click here and customize the ribbon and just click on check the developer option, click OK. Then the developer tab will also open. Inside the developer tab you will find the Visual Basic, macros and all these related to macro command button will find here. So that's it for this video.